Tired of scrolling through endless custom fields in Pipedrive? Here is exactly how to delete them in under 2 minutes. First, we will navigate to the data field settings. Then, I will show you how to find and permanently remove any custom field. All right, let us jump right in. You have probably been putting this off because the delete option is buried, but I promise it is not as bad as you think. So start by opening up your Pipedrive account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the very top right corner of your screen. You will see your profile icon, the little circle with your initials or your photo. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear. You want to select Personal Preferences. Now, pay attention to this next part because this is where most people get lost. On the left side of the screen, under the section called Company Overview, you will see an option labeled Data Fields. Click on that. It might take a couple of seconds for the page to fully load, so just give it a moment. You will know it is ready when you see a list of categories on the left side. These categories map directly to the main sections of Pipedrive: lead/deal, person, organization, product, and project. And here is the thing. The custom field you want to delete belongs to one specific category. So if you created a custom field for your contacts, it is probably under person. If it is tied to a sale, it is under lead/deal. Click on the category that matches where that messy field lives. Let us go through a quick example. If you are looking for a custom field you added to track a lead's birthday, that would be under person. If it is a field for a deal's discount code, that is under lead/deal. Just pick the right category. Once you are in the right section, scroll through the list of fields until you locate the custom one you want to remove. They usually sit toward the bottom if you have been adding them over time. Now, on the far right side of that field, you will see a small icon with 3 vertical dots, what some people call the Kebab menu. Click that. A small menu pops up. Select Delete. At this point, a confirmation dialog box will appear. Please do not just click through it. Read the warning message carefully. It will tell you that deleting this field also deletes any data stored in it across all your records. This is permanent. Once you have reviewed it, if you are sure, click the red Delete button to confirm. And that is it. The field vanishes instantly. Your Pipedrive is now one step cleaner. In my experience, doing this once a month keeps your workspace fast and your team from getting confused by fields nobody uses anymore. You are not just cleaning up. You are streamlining your entire workflow. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.